Question number 10, part number 157, multiply by 57. Last time we have done this question like question number 7. You can write 57 as 50 plus 7 and 50 plus 7. 50 plus 7 is 57, 50 plus 7 is 50 plus 7. So you can write it as 50 plus 7 whole square. This term is a, this term is b, so you can write a plus b whole square. You can write it as a square plus 2a. What's the value of b? That is 7, and now the b square, that is 7 square. So you can write, you can open these squares and you can calculate them to write the answer. We have done the question like this type before this. Now come for question number 11. That is a minus 1 over a is equal to 2. Then you have to show that whether a square plus 1 over a square is equal to 6. For question number 11, part 1, we have to verify whether this term is equal to 6 or not. A minus 1 over a is given to us is equal to 2. We have to prove its square equal to 6. So we will take square on its both sides. That will be a minus 1 over a whole square is equal to 2 square. This is a and this term is b, so we will write it as a square minus 2a b. What's the value of b? That is 1 over a. And what's the value of b square? That is also 1 over a whole square. 2 square is equal to 4. This a will be cancelled by this. Here will remain a square minus this 2 and plus 1 over a square is equal to 4. 2 is minus over here. When we'll change it to the other side of equal, that will become positive. A square plus 1 over a square, here 4 is already there, and if we transfer minus a to the other side of equal, that will become plus. Then a square plus 1 over a square is equal to 6. So we have verified that from a minus 1 over a, that a minus 1 over a is equal to 2 when we will take its square on both sides. After verifying, we have cleared that a square plus 1 over a square is equal to 6. Now we have to come for the second situation, that is a raised to power 4 plus 1 over a raised to power 4 is equal to 34. So we will take another square of the given answer. Again taking square. Taking again square, a square plus 1 over a square is equal to 6 square. What's the again square of a square? This is a square plus here is b square, that is 1 over a square again square, 2 times ab a square and 1 over a square. What's the square of 6? That is 36. This will become a raised to power 4 plus this will be cancelled and 2 will remain over here only, and 1 over a square again square will become a raised to power 4 and 36. This 2 is being added over here. When we'll transfer it to the other side of equal, this will become negative. A raised to power 4, 36, and this 2 minus 2. A raised to power 4 plus 1 over a raised to power 4 will equal to 34. This is the second situation that we have to verify according to the given. A raised to power 4 plus 1 over a raised to power is equal to 34. We have verified. Your today's task is to practice the question number 10 till first two parts. The remaining questions will be done in the next lecture, inshallah.